Hi, this is Bob from Boating with Big Bob. Hope you're enjoying these videos. If you do enjoy these videos, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel. Continuing with our cruise exploits, this year we took a cruise with Cruise and Maritime on their ship Columbus. In August we took a voyage down to the Canary Isles, stopping firstly at Rotterdam to pick up passengers, then on to Gibraltar, the Canaries, Madeira, back to Lisbon, and then back to London Tilbury. We enjoyed this cruise, and to follow will be a number of videos that we took on the way. This first video concerns the ship in general and the cruise in general, and later we will have some specific videos regarding the ports of call that we visited. I hope you enjoy these videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. This is the start of our journey, and we are about 5 miles from Tilbury Dock, where we are embarking in just a few hours. And this is our first experience of Airbnb, staying in a lovely home overnight while waiting to go to the docks later today. Had a little bit of a delay in the embarkation. We've had a notice saying that the ship is going to be 3 hours late getting into Tilbury due to the inclement weather conditions overnight. Yesterday was really stormy, very high winds, and out in the North Sea where the ship was coming from, it was forecasting gale force 8 strengthening to gale force 9 overnight. Hopefully we're not going to get any of that over the next couple of weeks. Certainly hope not. Check the shipping forecast, and we're looking for much calmer seas. Anyway, enjoying our first ever Airbnb. Can recommend it very highly. We'll let you know a little bit more about CMV and Columbus later on in the day when we embark around lunchtime or early afternoon. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy the video that's coming up. Okay, here we are on the CVM Columbus. This is our second day at sea. We are now crossing the Bay of Biscay, which by reputation is quite a rough area. Certainly the sea conditions, the swell is greater than it has been so far this cruise, but it is by no means excessive and not particularly unpleasant. Albeit we came out of the cabin this morning to find that there were sick bags over all the railings for people to use. Yeah, this is what it's like. This is the middle of the Bay of Biscay. We're about halfway down now, and yeah, you can just see there. You look in the distance, look at the horizon, the amount of like up and down vertical movement, which is not excessive by a long shot. But very overclouded today, overcast, and a lot of cloud around. Not what was forecasted to be a little cool, but bright and sunny. Hopefully that will happen this afternoon. I'll take a tour around the ship and let's see what's going on shortly. Okay, things clearing up a little bit. Here we are on Tuesday, no we're not, we're on Wednesday the 14th of August 2019. Okay, as we come in from the back of the ship on deck 14, we enter the bistro buffet, clearly setting up, getting ready for lunch later. This is open for breakfast, lunch and dinner, and one thing which is quite unusual with some cruise ships, they have this coffee and tea station here. You can get coffee, you can get decaffeinated coffee, you have a choice of teas there, black tea, green tea, mint tea, Earl Grey tea, and these are all free for use anytime. And on this ship, Columbus, this station is open 24 hours. Some of the other ships are only open during certain hours of the day. This is open for 24 hours, so if you want tea, coffee, you can get it here. And actually the coffee is very good. So, let's just walk through the buffet. It's obviously on two sides of the ship, and both are exactly the same as a mirror of each other. Good morning. And can get very busy at times. There's not a huge amount of seating here, but it's comfortable enough. Through in this end, in the evening, this is a fusion restaurant for Indian speciality, and extra charge on that, I think it's something around £15, and you can have a very nice Indian meal in here. But buffet open 4 times a day actually. I forgot there is afternoon tea in here. The afternoon tea actually is very good. Nice cream tea and sandwiches, pastries, things like that. And yep, good place. Okay, continuing through the revolving doors there, we come on to the first of the pool areas. Doesn't look as though there's many people using the pool at the moment. It is getting brighter, a little bit cool in this wind. This is a multi-generational cruise for all generations. Usually this ship, Columbus, is adult only, but for this particular cruise, all ages are welcome, children are welcome, and you do find that the children are using these pools quite often, but clearly, well, yes, you see there's a little bit of movement. Yeah, we are on the Bay of Biscay. The ship is moving a little bit, so I suppose that gives you the idea of just how much movement there is. Anyway, moving along. So we're on deck 12, and through there's the second speciality restaurant. This is, just going to have a look at that. This is the grill, and in the grill area you can get, what do you
be surprised, grill. This is the specialty steak. Surf and turf is the house speciality. And again, extra cover charge from that. Did I say £15? Wow, it's gone up to £24.90. Well, that is your choice whether you want to pay that sort of money extra for a meal or continue to use the normal dining. There is the bistro. There is also a specific sit-down restaurant called the Waterfront, which we have used each night, and the food is pretty good in there. These are the common areas. There's plenty of lifts, 9 lifts on this ship, and plenty of areas for cabins. This is deck 11, again another deck that is mainly cabins.
Okay, so there we have it. That is our offering of general clips from CMV Columbus cruise to the Canaries, August 2019. Hope you enjoyed that little bit of oversight. In the next video, pretty much the same sort of thing. We'll be going through the ship, showing you some more aspects of what the cruise line has to offer. So until then, take care. If you like this video, as I say, press the like button and please subscribe to the channel. More videos to come very soon. Take care.